Hello and welcome back to TechRoots by Roat. Have you ever wondered why some people use Windows, some prefer Linux, and others love Mac? Are they all the same? Or is one better than the others? In today's video, we are going to understand the difference between Windows, Linux, and Mac in a very simple and beginner-friendly way. And by the end of this video, you will clearly know which operating system is best for you. 2. What is an operating system? Before we compare them, let's quickly understand one thing. An operating system, or OS, is the software that acts as a bridge between you and the computer. It helps you use applications, control hardware, interact with the system. Without an operating system, a computer is just a machine that cannot be used. 3. Windows. Explanation. Let's start with Windows. Windows is the most widely used operating system in the world. It is designed to be simple, user-friendly, and easy to learn. Key points. Easy to use. Supports most software. Works on almost all computers. If you are a beginner, Windows is usually the best place to start. Most schools, offices, and homes use Windows. 4. Linux explanation. Now let's talk about Linux. Linux is very different. It is an open-source operating system, which means anyone can use it and even modify it. Key points. Highly customizable, very secure, preferred by developers and hackers, ethical hackers. Linux may feel difficult in the beginning, but it gives you full control over your system. That's why it is widely used in servers, cybersecurity, development environments. 5. Mac explanation. Now let's understand Mac, also known as Mac OS. Mac is developed by Apple and works only on Apple devices like MacBook. Key points. Smooth and fast performance. Premium design. Strong ecosystem with iPhone and iPad. Mac is known for its stability and clean user experience. It is commonly used by designers, video editors, professionals. 6. Real-world analogy. Now let's make this super easy to understand. Think of operating systems like vehicles. Windows is like a regular car, easy to use, available everywhere. Linux is like a custom-built bike. You can modify everything, powerful but needs skill. Mac is like a luxury car, smooth, premium experience, well optimized. All three will take you to your destination, but the experience will be different. 7. Simple comparison. Let's compare them quickly. Windows. Easy, popular, good for beginners. Linux. Powerful, flexible, best for developers. Mac. Premium, smooth, best for professionals. 8. How to choose. So how do you decide? Choose Windows if you are just starting. Choose Linux if you want to learn deeply and customize. Choose Mac if you want a premium and smooth experience. Remember, there is no best operating system. The best OS is the one that fits your needs. 9. Recap. Let's quickly revise. Windows is easy and widely used. Linux is powerful and customizable. Mac is premium and optimized. 10. Call to action. If you are starting your tech journey, you are on the right path. Subscribe to TechRoots by Roat, comment OS, and tell me which one you use. And in the next video, we will explore more exciting concepts step by step. Until then, keep learning, keep growing.